Hi, hello, welcome. This is Viswanathan. I am the founder of blogpoint.com. Please subscribe my channel Blogpoint YouTube channel and provide your feedbacks and comments. Okay, after this video, do you think about podcast? This video is for you. Okay, what is podcast? Okay, what is podcast? So, a recorded program of talk or music, etc., made available over the internet as a file that can be downloaded to a computer or portable device for listening or viewing. Okay, so what tools are required to record the audio file, your podcast, and or podcast? It's like a talk or music, etc. Okay, so for that we have two tools for recording as well as launching tool. Okay, for recording I have used GarageBand, and launching I have used Buzzsprout.com. So GarageBand is Mac application, free application. You can record your podcast and you can extract that .mp3 file. Okay, and Buzzsprout.com is a free website. You can post your podcast. Okay, launch your podcast. So first we will see about something about GarageBand. Okay, yeah, this is the application, Mac application, free application. Okay, free software. Here, right, these are all usual things, normal player buttons, and here you can set time. Okay, you can disable this one, counter, count 1 2 3, so you can disable that. Here you need not to change anything, and here, right, input, our voice input, you have to select external microphone. I have used headset, so I am using external microphone. Okay, this is the tool, and once you click this button, record button, you can you can see here, right, your voice is recording. My voice is recording here. So this is the way you can record your podcast, and you can post it in the Buzzsprout. Once you have recorded, you can stop playing and file save. It will be saved, and go to share export song to disk. Okay, here you can select your file format .mp3 and export. That's it. You can post this mp3 file into buzzsprout.com. You will see the demo of Buzzsprout. Okay, you can, if you don't have account, you can create your own account. Okay, I have created already, so I just log in, email, password. This is the page, right, podcast is page. Here, right, affiliate marketing SSV podcast, this is my generic name. Podcast name. Okay, podcast name. And here you can see episodes, players, website, directories, monetization, podcast settings, statistics, everything. So here you can add your podcast episode wise. Okay, yeah, podcast type you can change episodic or serial. I have used episodic. I have created one episode only. Okay, this podcast info, you have to set up your podcast title, podcast description, your podcast, your profile picture, Apple podcast category, and language, time zone, artist, your name, so mail ID, everything you can set over here. And the episodes, you can add episodes here, right? Duration, downloads, 13 downloads, okay. And dynamic content, you have all the features, magic mastering, like before after. Magic mastering enhances your audio with, okay, smart adaptive leveling. So these kind of properties we have, it will improve your audio quality, okay. Here, master, magic mastering. And a dynamic content, this one pre-roll and post-roll, you can play after main episode content, before main episode content, whatever you want, you can pre-roll and upload a post-roll, okay. Dynamic content. Then players, you can separate player for each episode, and two types, multiple episodes in one player, okay. You can embed this code into your website. You can sorry, you can post it in your website, this podcast, okay. If you want multiple episodes in one player, you can copy this code and embed into our website. I can show my website, blogvine.com. Here, right? Here I have placed my podcast, okay. This is the way you can embed the player in your website. Then website, you can customize your website. My name Vichu, buzzsprout.com, okay. If you want, you can change your background image, everything here, right? Personalize your buzzsprout, vichu.buzzsprout.com. Here, right, you can use your custom domain, advanced level, custom domain name / podcast name. So these are all the features we have. If you want to hide from public Buzzsprout website from search engines, your website, you can do it here, okay. And direct is very useful feature. Is you can, if you post your, if you launch your podcast in Buzzsprout, they will listed in the these all the podcast tools, okay. So Apple, I have submitted. I am waiting for the approval. So the Spotify, Google Podcast, okay. Podcast, we have to get the we have to pay the we have to get the paid account, okay. Amazon Music. So I have submitted this one. Stitcher, right? I have already listed. So these are all listed already. And if you get the approval from Apple Podcast, these kind of apps, right? Popular podcast apps, we, that our podcast will be placed in the popular podcast apps, okay. And monetization, you can add a sponsor. If you have any sponsor, if you're famous, you can get a sponsor and you can get the money. That affiliate marketplace, you can get the commission, okay, based on these are all the providers, affiliate providers. And each new paid account, okay, $25 for each new paid account is giving by Buzzsprout. So Instacart, everything, okay. Already we have done the podcast settings, and you can see the statistics, how many downloads happen, okay. These are all the features. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Blockpoint, and provide your comments and feedback.